Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to reset all default apps in Windows 10. Whether you've accidentally set the wrong app as default, or just want to revert to Microsoft's recommended settings, this guide will help you get it done quickly and easily. Let's dive in. First, click on the Start menu and select Settings. In the Settings window, click on Apps, then select Default Apps from the left panel. Scroll down until you see the Reset button under Click on it, and Windows will restore all default apps for web browsing, email, music, video, and other file types. After resetting, you can scroll through the list to see that the default apps have been restored. If needed, you can manually change any default app by clicking on it and selecting a different option. That's it! You've successfully reset all default apps in Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.